That's me. That's me.
Thank you, DreamWorks. Thank you, Netflix, for making this show, allowing me to be a part of it, and sending us off on these really fun jaunts. I'm gonna miss these. It's been a really nice way for the cast and the crew to bond. It's been a really great way for us to meet fans and share this amazing show with all of you. I'm gonna miss it a lot.
There's so many things I wish I'd said on that panel. Or like at dinner last night, or when we were hanging out in the hotel later, I'm like, oh, this thought.
Yeah, and there's never gonna be a chance like that to say it again.
I know.
Man, I felt the same way. Somebody said their favorite moment, which reminded me of a different thing. And it's like, well, I already said my piece, so I can't really go back. I don't want to hog the question and
we got
all that.
Finite time.
Very finite time. I kept looking at the clock, and for the first time, I was like, not wanting it to keep ticking down.
Yeah.
Because normally to go do your panel, you got the signing afterwards, and
you got work to do.
Yeah, you don't really think about it. And this one, I was just like, I don't want this panel to end.
Not a chance.
It was good though too. It was our curtain call.
Yeah. Oh, it really was. I loved when the lights would flicker and you could see the people in the balcony.
Yeah.
Felt special.
Definitely
like a nice way to say goodbye.
Definitely did.
That's me.
And what a great Halloween. Honestly, it was just fantastic. But it is November 1st. It's time to ditch the costume and... Wait. Wait.
It's here!
No! 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 No!
That's me.
This is totally fake, right? It have to be fake. It's fake. Lauren said it was fake. You thought that was real? Ah, no, it's real. And we're all going to die.
That's me.
No!
That's me.
Guess you wonder where I've been.
That's me.
Yeah, it's I just loved the idea of Lance has grown, like, and he's like moving on, and he's like, I think Keith is the future, and he's opening up, and
I think Keith is the future.
That's me.
So I'll call the police.
That's me.
Captain!
Yeah? Yeah?
No! No! Dude, we have so much shit to do! Holy fucking shit!
Yo! Connor, get down there! Connor, no! Oh, fucking shit! Start breaking! Holy fuck! Hey, guys! Guys, we're cool! Hey, chill! Chill the fuck out! Chill the fuck out!
That's me.
Okay.
That's me.
More! Jesus Christ, Aaron, fine! Fuck! Alright! More! Ah!
That's me.
Butterfree.
That's me. That's me.
Hello, bitch.
Hi.
My name is Bobby Worst, and I believe in incest and car accidents. I can't say those without laughing. I'm just your average villain, I suppose. No! I'm a villain. I'm a bad guy. Hi, I hope you're having an evil day today. Say no to me one more time, and I'm hitching your sacks to the back of my Prius. These are my shitty servants. Suck and swallow. I keep them on a strict diet of cigarettes and vodka to maintain their sellable figures. Drink up. What's our evil plan today? We're gonna drive to a Starbucks and start deciding what we want when we get to the fucking cashier.
After, I'll send mine back for almond milk.
Don't be an ass. Oh, I'm so evil! Yeah! This day has been longer than my dick.
Excuse me, would you mind pressing 4?
Enjoy! Oh God! Oh God, no wait!
He is the worst. You know he tried getting me a job at Walmart?
You ever shot yourself in one of these suits? Comes out the neck. We're going to the mall to judge common people. I'm gonna rule this goddamn planet. You should be admiring my shoes. They're good? Look at these cocksuckers.
Are you gay or straight?
I'm worse. I'd rather stick my dick in a dying dog than a living human, and I have. You got the wrong number. Well, now I'm gonna have to send my queers over to your house and kill you, sir. I did not assume your gender. It was a mere guess. Sometimes I'll break into people's houses just to clog their toilets. The best part about children is eventually they all die. This is one of my more brilliant plans. I call it Operation Annie Better Appreciate Today, because tomorrow's not coming. I just want to eat some ass. Excuse me, miss. How many explosives can I fit in this minion? You ever just think of all the people being molested? I'm gonna hit this like a child. Get me the president. You're doing a great job. Let's kidnap some kids from the hospital and drop them off in bad parts of town. Shut up! Hey, fatty! Why don't you lose some weight? Hey, Chinaman! That's all I got. Every time I say Suck's name, Swallow takes it as a command. Can I borrow some bleach? You may, Suck. No! Not you, Swallow! No! Not you, Suck! No! Not you, Swallow! I was so evil, I came out of my mother sideways. She left that hospital with only one hole. I picked a good day to do acid. I'm not reaching for the stars, I just want everyone to love me. And then I want to kill all of them.